Good morning, gentlemen. How you guys doing today?
So,
We've actually been getting reports around the neighborhood from citizens that, people have been getting their cars and their tires stolen.
what should I say, dude?
Oh, well, it's funny because you actually... Hey, take your hand out of your pocket. This doesn't need to be a serious issue. Excuse me, sir. Hey, come on. I told you to get your hand out of your pocket, dude. Just take it out and could go on with our day. I just need to ask you a few questions. Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back now! Motherfucker!
You want me got out?
Still want more, you piece of shit? We got 2 suspects down over here.